The crowd at the airport surged forward. The passengers had been waiting for a couple of hours for an airline employee to open the door leading to the plane outside. No one was in a good mood. An old man got trapped in the middle of the rush. He fell down without being able to break his fall. His head hit the concrete floor. Blood gushed from his forehead. He appeared to be unconscious. Everyone rushed past him except for Dana. She called for help. A minute later, a young airline employee showed up. Hardly looking at the old man, she told Dana to get aboard her plane. She said the old man would be okay and walked away. Dana screamed for help. An airport supervisor appeared. He told Dana to get on the plane. Dana said that she was not moving until an ambulance arrived. The supervisor said her plane would leave without her. Dana said that she didn't care. An ambulance and two paramedics finally arrived. The paramedics said that the man would be okay, but he would need stitches. They put him into the ambulance and drove off. On her way out to the plane, which was still refueling, Dana saw the employee who had initially ignored the old man. The employee said, "You're lucky the plane didn't leave without you." "The plane?" Dana asked. "Who cares about the plane? How could you be so cold? That was an old man. He could have been your grandfather. How would you like it if everyone just stepped over your grandfather and went on their way?"